So when it comes to having wireless doorbells, there's loads out there. You've seen I've done a number of these. There's a few that are easier to use and they're for different countries. Now this one is a lightweight option. We are going to test it here. Let's get it out. We've got a few of them. Get a little screwdriver in it. Got 2 doorbells. If you live in a flat or you live in a multi-story building, you're going to be loving this beauty. You know why? Because there's loads. You've got bells which you can plug in. There's 4 bells, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 2 ringers, so these are going to be what you put on the door. So if you got if you can access your house from the front and the back, then you can put one of these on the front door, one on the back door, and it makes it a lot easier for you to let anybody who wants to ring the door to get into the house. What kind of bell noises are we going to get? Well, we'll find out when I plug it in. So I've plugged one in now, nice and loud. I've got extra ones here. You can adjust each bell for different noises, so you can tell you've got a bell ringing because it also flashes. So one on each floor, one in each room of your house will never miss that parcel again. What does tend to happen is when they deliver a parcel to you, they always bang the door, they never ring the bell. What's that all about? I don't get that. So there we go. Wireless doorbell, a set of 4, one is plugged in. Just like that, and it's got a nice little light around it. It looks like a well built option, and especially for multi entrance ways, the bells look nice, and they can easily be replaced with batteries as well, so that would be a nice little option for you if you need to replace or change the batteries. You can see within here you get a little screwdriver in the kit. You can just take the little screws out and you can change over the battery. Nice.